Hi, I'm Jacques Pépin and I'm cooking at home. I wanted to show you a specialty of Lyon, town in France where I come from, which is the chicken with a lot of garlic and vinegar, deglaze at the end. And I'm using chicken thigh now here. What I do, I wanted to show you a special technique that I do. You see, I cut on each side of the bone here to expose that bone and makes it easier to cook. So here I have two chicken thigh. They are about 8 ounces each. And it's a small portion, but usually that's what we do at home. And on top of this, salt, pepper, of course, on both sides. And as you can see, I have the skin here, and the skin is an important part of it too, because I want to brown it on the skin, and only on the skin. Bit of salt on this side too. And I put it into a non-stick pan here. It's a bit tight, but it'll be fine. And you see the pan is cold. Doesn't really matter at that point. It has to cook, I would say 20-25 minutes here. And the whole idea that I start it on the skin, no fat, no oil, no butter. There is enough in the skin. And it's going to start on high browning. Then I cover it, and there is enough steam to cook the top. So I never turn the chicken. I cook it like this 20-25 minutes. So as you can see now, the skin already rendered a little bit of fat. It starts frying, and this is what I want. This is on high heat. But now I'm going to cover it to get that steaming process. Put it on very low, and that's it for 20-25 minutes. Then we do the sauce. Well, it's about 20 minutes now. You can see. If I turn this, I have a beautiful crust here. And you can see a fair amount of fat in there. This is the skin. And again, it cooks around the bone. It's 3, 4, 5 minutes to go. So now I want to show you how to make the sauce. 3 cloves of garlic. Okay, I cut the end of it so that I can crush it a little bit. Crush it, and now that it's crushed, the skin will come up easily because you crush it. Here it is. If I were to slice it like that, to do with pasta, whatever, then it's stronger. By the time I crush it like this, I release 2 essential oils and it gets that gooey texture. And at that point, that garlic is very, very strong, much stronger. And at that point, that garlic is not cooked very much either. So here, I clean up the garlic on top here. Okay, so I would say that I have a good tablespoon and a half of garlic. So let's see our chicken now. My chicken is very, very tender like that, and I haven't touched it, I haven't turned it. So here it is here. I'm putting that skin side up. And I have all that beautiful crystallization, the crystallization of the juice. And that pan is thick enough so that it's not burned. That should not be burned. It should be nice and brown the way it is. Give you so here on top of this, here goes our garlic. I want to fry the garlic like 20-30 seconds. I want to deglaze with 3 tablespoons of vinegar that I'm going to put in there. 1, 2, about 3 tablespoons of vinegar. And I will let that cook, on relatively high heat. So it melts all the solidified juice, but also the acidity of vinegar evaporates. So I let it reduce 20-30 seconds, whatever, to almost gone. Yeah. See, the acidity goes. So now, a little bit of water for my sauce, a couple of tablespoons maybe. A couple of tablespoons of ketchup just as a thickening agent. Maybe a dash of Tabasco on top. That's it. A beautiful sauce here. I'm going to have a few olives in there. Yeah. If you don't want to put the olive, it's fine. Let's see. And as you see, I let my chicken this way, so it's very crunchy on top. See the taste there? Even a dash of salt. And that's it. Actually, you know, if I serve it right away, I'll put it on top. Otherwise, I put the sauce around so it doesn't soften the top too much. And here is a little bit of chives on top. And here we have the poulet au vinaigre, chicken in vinegar, the style of Lyon. You will enjoy it. Happy cooking.